Hello everybody, this is Tater. I waited for this for so long. Here's my first impressions on Deltarune Chapter 5. Oh my god, what could that be? Papyrus? I'm sorry. Okay, just fucking... No. Oh my god, that looks beautiful. Oh my lord. My name's Mongoose. The Mongoose. What did they do? Hey, they were right. They are green. Maybe like choked, like out of fucking life power or something. I don't know. The soul, Papyrus Knight, Cockhaskor. Shut up. Okay, we begin. Bed sheets. They are slightly warm. Oh, the cage. You're right. Or should we clean this up sometime? Miss Cook. Shut the fuck up! Stop. Oh my god, did it even work? Was I just talking to myself? Fuck. My thingy, like audio thing kept disconnecting. Your brother's drawer. Tyrus sent love letters inside. Blood. Your body is so shaky. That feels weak, almost unfamiliar. Despite your weakness, will you really make your first priority? Your real first priority? Look at your brother's letters, which I've already read, as you haven't read them before. Yeah. Despite your weakness, you proceeded to open the first letter. Nearest December. No. Oh, fuck you. Your weakness gets the better of you. Lower dropped and dropped. Oh, okay. Your bed's better. There's a USB microphone here. You remember to... Fuck you, game. Looks like an embarrassing drawer. Your bed's brother. I look at the drawer. That probably means nothing. Book drawer. You opened the drawer and looked up how to drive dragons. The covers are perfectly dressed. Oh. You know there's a dog hole in your house? You didn't seem to make a dogma based on this object. Your scholarly contemplated this over a long period of time. Official Deltarune hentai. Your eyes wander over the face in the mirror. You quickly look away. Who is that? Locked. The photo album of past festivals. Your mom's going hyper mode and Noel's mom looking annoyed. This, your brother, and your dad's doing some kind of square dance. You and Noel, the book went shut. Okay, wash your hands, Chris. They're uncovered. Even though your body is so weak and overexerted, it was still making your second priority to look at deodorant. Piece of flavored deodorant with a cartoon mascot. Gotta smell good. Gotta smell good means not looking inside. The toilet. Flush it. Flush the toilet. Don't gotta fuck you. You wonder if Susie could recognize you if you changed a different fruit. Oh. Oh, what the... Okay. The sink is beginning to replenish its lost white fur. Somehow, it's fully stopped. Except there's no ketchup. The stove top. The ones in their right hand will make the toast here. It's a toaster that toast, just like it. It's a toaster that toast, just like all of the other ones. Or rather, a microwave toaster over. Tutorial? Seems someone took out the trash. Chris, did my toast stop? Oh no. Yes. Okay, you put it. Okay. Are you Chris? Oh god. Sam's fucked him. Oh, Sam's fucked her dry. Oh no. It will take 10 seconds for the toast to be done. Took out the toast and carefully put honey on it. Got honey toast. Hey, here, Mom. Looking for you, honey. Chris, how did you sleep last night, honey? What? Oh, where did you get that wonderful sarcasm from? Really, though? I gotta be carried away last night, didn't I? Yeah, we were locked out. Huh? Chris, is that some sort of joke? Chris, you don't have the extra house key. I was surprised to find the house empty when I came over at 7. I tried calling you straight away, but your phone, I could not get through to it. Chris, did you take the IC charger? You know it does not work. Anyhow, I was really worried. I'll go looking for you. But Mr. Sands told me he saw you and Susie, well, you know, hanging out. And, well, he convinced me perhaps I should leave you to be. Let you be. Well, the festival's later today is not. Shame Azure could not be here to go with you. You had so much fun those together. You would win so many whistles and toys, which I had to hide because you do it fun. While it makes so much noise. I fucking love this Frank. I'm gonna draw this. Hold on. Print screen. Okay. Just a little while before we go to bring Azure home. I wonder if it could be nice to surprise him early. He appears suddenly at his dormitory. I think, just a crazy thought. That's, I'm certain Susie would love to go with you. I can speak, I can't fucking speak. I know I'm speaking because the fucking red light on my USB converter thing lights up. I'm gonna check it later though. It's your mom's when. You know, from my window, actual window, I hear birds. Yeah, from the game I hear birds. Bird maxing. I like this diagonal. A door, you had to open it a long time. Oh, hey Dad.
Oh, Chris, I'm Z-Daisy, ready for today's festival? I have a feeling it'll be the biggest sales ever. Chris, did I tell you, back when we were just young boys, your mother and I were the festival king and queen?
I didn't know that.
Oh, is that so? Well, you're going to love this story. Oh, your mother. Ever since I laid eyes on her crooked smile, it was love at first sight. We became so famous in the annual nose nuzzling contest. We were festival king and queen year after year. Actually, that's why my store is called Flower King. Chris, you and little Prince Azure would always do too. May I bring up a serious topic for a moment?
Yes, please.
Chris, your mother. For sure you're living on a single teacher's salary. To hide it, but I can't imagine it's how difficult. Chris, if things go well with Carol, I think I might be able to get my old job back. Promise. Come by, so come by with your friend later, Chris. I'll give you a free rose.
Yeah, it's all conveniently blocked out. To get some chamomile and marigolds. I don't know any flower names. Well, for the mayor's discount, it'd be crazy not to. Sure, but even so, I feel bad for him. Oh, wow, excited. While setting up logs. Thank you, Mr. Owl. I mean, well. Okay, what do you want?
Hey, little buddy, for my big show today?
Me and my girl are meeting for the first time on stage. We'll bring our love. It frazzles the whole town. You're apparently practicing too? Huh? Sorry, I know, but you could try solo. People would like it, buddy.
A box of books that talk about how to barricade doors. Fuck you. Fuck you, Toby, on the original Fox. Okay. The shul. Let me guess. Series is here. I'm also studying, Timmy.
Tim get knowledge. Tim learn. Yesterday, Tim finally learned. Tim learned. No class on weekend.
Now please come here. Look at the wallpaper. Originally, the wallpaper was two buff superheroes hugging. Then, probably due to your mom's influence, it was edited to them being 4 inches apart at the school dance room. Now the superheroes are back together again. Perhaps it's because it's the weekend. Check the time. It seems to not be the time for class. Hold on, there's like... yep. You will play such an MMORPG. Decide to pause. That's a flyer. Today is the festival and go in school. Sure. Okay, I'm guessing Susie's just here, hanging out. Because everywhere else is locked.
Chris! Chris, ready for your festival? Oh, nice to meet you. Thanks, sir. Thanks, my tongue. And speaking of South Lila, did you know Susie had a big day today? Chris, Rico, really want meeting in Leisure Castle. Oh, you mean my castle? Well, Chris, shall we go?
Okay, this was getting a little crowded. Look at this cathedral. They're praying for good Jesus. It's praying for mouse to get smashed by a giant cartoon man. Oh my god, Slayer! Divine Angel, Master of Order and Chaos, please bless my cast with your fire damage. And blesses the cast of others. They also do extra fire damage. Benefactor, it was indeed.
Oh, the power rests within me.
Your S voice became as potent. Right. The force of us. I don't get it. Yo, we just finished mining the sword pit. Check the back wall. We can play all kinds of sweet noises. Kinda. On a piano. Although I do this shit in a full studio, but this is nothing. Okay, I need to stop recording. This is the end of my first impressions. If you have any questions, send it in the comments. I'll follow you, and have a good night, or day, or noon. Well, it turns out it didn't take much storage space to record this game. I don't know why. Maybe there's special settings, but whatever. Let's see.
My knowledge has training for the quarter-ship of the Rainer Prince. Oh god. Yeah, built an excessively tall place for various tonics of it at the top of. The only problem is we are too swift to climb it ourselves. My knowledge, do what we cannot, and we shall record the next time.
Okay, I'll do this later.
I'm in the charges now. That's good. What happened? So the SWAT stepped out for a moment, and so I, perhaps as a favor, taking it over for him while he was gone, and while he was not noticing me doing it, so okay guys, I would be real a bit with you here. And the quiz you in church, they basically haven't seen it besides this before. To them this is not matter, so it's not cool. No one will find it out. No one notices. Human loves me. Just happens to be clean up before Smash gets back. Yeah. What? For young person, I commend this, the worm sleep.
Fucking French.
Yeah, I got them all.
Oh god, there's significantly less people. Oh wait, there are. Yeah. Gay.
The game. Wish hot wax fake.
Fuck.
Wins.
Oh, drink. It's an ice cream machine. It's broken.
Hey, cameras like that. Lemonade, please. Pretty sure it's just not your else's fault. He knows it's Rose's fault, as a man, and doesn't care. Pretty sure this is completely Rose's fault. Hello, welcome home. Things have changed again here, Mongoose Town. Your town's love is cracked. Perhaps you don't treasure this place so much, but it treasures you, whatever you do.
We gotta kind of speedrun this. Save file. Yes, and that small treat composed of my finest pintest. Sticking in your most. I can't speak this, man. One of Susie will need some of my fragrance for her shindig. And also the mask and that earthy smell. Okay, we get the lesbian subplot. That's I can't really say anything. My contract says I can't say anything about two things. I'm not American. Hold on, now the fashion makes you ready. Can't miss.
I think this is wrestling trip. It's from Roblox. Do you mind? They'll digital open his rib station your pigeon needs. What's tough? Tough and that's what's tough is enough. Rough and tough and that's enough.
Oh, have you seen the Susie? This is her odd thing. I turned the shabby style into a boogie salon. Please bring her here. This will make our believe a bit more check.
I'm just saying, my review this route. Also, this is a brushing off theory.
The way of the worm? Is this the way of the worm? To be totally kicked up?
They look like a fucking Roblox avatar. Man, this game was so fucking mystic when I first played it in like 2022. It still is, it's just more familiar. Norbert go further beyond, but they were only sparred from someone who's sparred him. This is a love dojo. It's only for couples. Literally only couples. So like 2 people only doing love. Get it? Podcast says it's a forbidden number. That being said, could we get your opinion on something? Like, does Cloudbird count as 1 person or 3? Patrick explores his relationship to be very intimate. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm getting so fucking tired. Your boss, no, handling his back. That always says, it's chill, he's gotta make 3 times romantic DJ sets. Boss, can I be really for a sec? These ladies, man, they're killing me. I'm making the music, and I don't perfectly into the motive. They could probably prove my economy shave, like a third of them does. And they always want to shit in 3-4 with triplets. Now, like, ladies, I love you, but sweet beats, but 4 is also good also. But no, they wanted to increase. The only music is starting is like pirate music dance series, so just like the top boss. And just me and the crew, just like, we could interrate each other's motives all day. Swing them, remix them. Where my boys at now? I don't know, it's been 24 hours. But I might as well be dead. It's from my companion, my single servant. To be in love, he seems to be in love, and also has really strong spots. Oh, you're here. Oh, look, I'm only about CD Baguettes, pasties that spin, Oh, it's 7. No. Okay, we will tell now. Incredible Chris. Once again, you procured a shadow crystal. Now give it here. Perfect. We only need 1 more. Yes, it is a one shot, your final one. I'm sure you shan't open it easily. Chris, I suppose I owe you an explanation now. All this. No, you no doubt have me that's so by now. Shadow crystals are far more than a piece of glass. In actuality, it contains certain power. We call this power of will. Perhaps will is it? Contains the power of lost dreams of fucking. How can I say determination? When a strong attachment is formed, when dreams grow tightly, and then broken off, these are shots of pain. Pure dreams, of course, these things are useless to you, Chris. I, however, am aware of something interesting. Something very interesting. No, you won't find it quite entertaining. See you again. All night. It's teddy time. The mic room. Knock. This is a thing. Ow. 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 Hey, boss. Oh, someone just knocked. I think that's, Tater. No, it's Tater. Your brain. Sam, you'll not make me more gloomy. Ow. 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 By the way, what the heck is this drink you got me? Battery acid? Battery what? Battery what? What the heck did they think I'd drink that?
Well, that's my favorite boss. Yours is green, and you look good with green drink.
Really? Hello, Fury. This is... I think this thing looks cool. That makes it correct.
Yeah.
Whatever. do 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 do. Okay, tension max. And then we can do this. The hell is a... What? No question. You are filled with the power of conspicuously normal music. I know. My back. Oh wow, look at it, it's a race. I think fucking gambling. Hey boss, you came already. What manner of business is this? You know, that shooting type crap. For I make a you know, that hoof building stuff. Yeah. You know, what if we bounce to raise a stats? Make us stronger. And we go around the racetrack. There are girls in a race. They make it who cares. Put on a mouse wheel. Okay. Yes, everything measurements. What's it say? It says I'm looking tall and beautiful. Susie, the queen. Chris, Rossi, hey! Big now. Here for my... I mean, when I see no help. Can we give us a cake? Susie, you actually going to have a real special day, Chris. There's any way we can help her. Who's that? I'm the boy, Mr. Boy. Yes, a boy working with a massive wheels. And I'll take my friend, Susie. Oh shit, we're gonna do this again. This feels familiar. It's new. You'll fit the trash your own date sacks. Make a list of this race. It's made up slightly. Susie can't deny the passage. No, we have to be good on this one. We have to be nice on her. My tail, roll up. Let's see. Yeah, this is nice. She's slick. Hat. Casual hat. Second hat. Tomboyish. Black shoes 3, and there's only 2. I should be able to start brown like dirt. My turn back. Well, see my turn to turn back to a pumpkin or a mouse. That sucks, you're gonna lose points. Yeah, hint. Easy hint. Multiple John. Shirt. Okay, swag jacket, too sucksy. That's so nice. She's cool. Slayer. Finished?
Oh, I swear in my nose, you wonderful girls. They say to my favorite friend, Susie. Huh? What's up, Laser? I do have made a costume for you. Costume? Give me an outfit. What is an outfit of not? Costume of love. Your love. When the festival is Halloween of romance. Man. Take a look.
Now let's design. Thanks, man. I got it to
I'm painting it. Oh, wait a second.
Make the calls, please.
I just try on the hat.
Good idea. I'm printing it. How about this? Can't beat the classic Susie, right, Chris? Yes, me too. Now don't forget to have an accessory.
A patch of your face?
Yes, and the voice is a cookie if you get hungry.
Well, I'm trying not to eat it right away. Alright, think I'm good enough for you, baby, I guess. Thanks, guys. I'll put it back before I leave. Let's go.
If Queen Alice showed up the printed clothes, I have planned a quick costume from this. Oh, I see a McGee's in there. That's why it's blue. They didn't poison it. Very smart as they.
No, this is an exclusive Noel facts. As a child, her favorite Super Smash Fighters character was...
Oh, the girls.
She would not fight, but try to play house with the others. Use this information as you will. Little quarters for bad guys.
Well, I'm just miserable. Please don't start a family. Now I have gone to come my own. Oh, just don't go like
I'm cold as stuff for it. I hope to be born soon. Never to talk in my parents' faces. I'm guessing. I'm going to Sam. I'm gonna be proud mother or father one day. Okay, let's talk to Mr. Hamster.
What do you want?
Talk about Scar.
What? You didn't show my greatest mark of pride.
No, we actually like it.
Ah, let's show it from you, Fancy. Ah, fine, I shall indulge you. I remember it like it was yesterday. A blissful time in the era of harmony with Atlantis. Yes, a golden age where we were held, cherished. But one day the hand of Atlantis slipped, and disaster struck. I was torn with the star that could be even from the back. The super star ring king that rendered the whole kingdom obsolete. We were banished like into eternal darkness. Now this mark of pride, a mark of glory, of the revenge I will one day take on you lot. What do you want? Well said.
If you guys like my King voice claim, please subscribe and like. Blueprints by Blueprints.
Don't worry, Susie. Yeah, she has me in the right first place, right? Yes, I'm a no. She's driving with dead class right now. Rasping her eyelashes, letting her beetles, and more. Oh, Susie, darling, kiss him close. Gone before you go out. There. Now you look more evil. Thanks. I think the form was better.
Sorry. But yeah, this is the best thing. Bookshelves are buried in keepsakes.
Yeah, that's what answer you found of a decade. Keepsakes are dirt.
There are all sorts of clothes that you could wear anything you want.
Top hats, ribbons, shirts, gowns, shorts, pants, and a scuba outfit. What, not single? Everybody's gonna play dress up? If they want to. It's a nice terms of customization.
your bed. Add some Susie on our blanket. Oh, it might be spikes. No spikes. You slept here? Man, it is super comfy. If used to be sleeping on the floor IRL. Hey, Rossi, Pickles has some ingredients. Do you think I could have, like, ingredients? I want to try to, like, make us something, maybe. Aw, poor Susie. Well, Susie Sweetie, sweet just reading you everything with a clothing permutation. But especially this one. What? Oh, I'll have this in her room anyway. Perhaps it was to do with her, tastes? I guess she likes statues? Christy, you know her, right? What's the deal? Something else? Oh, you're saying it like something else? Anyone want to explain something else to me? Okay, this is all to just take inside. I forgot to do this. Oh my god, there's some fucking stuff. It's empty? I'm skipping this. Oh, shut up, hang up. Okay. I'm getting real tired right now. So, like, I'm just gonna stop. This is the real end of my first impressions. It's goated. Deltarune is goated. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and like and subscribe. I said subscribe again. But yeah. See you all in hell, I guess.